Imagine being a hunter in California and cutting into a wild pig that you've just caught, and its fat is electric blue. Now, this isn't bruising and it isn't a genetic mutation. Unfortunately, it is poison. Now, there's a poison called diphenol, and it is used to kill squirrels and rats and rodents, basically. And it's dyed electric blue so that humans can recognize it. The problem is it's not indiscriminate. It can get everything that eats it. Farmers will use it in bait stations, so they will lace oats with diphenol and then they'll leave it out for squirrels to get. Now, pigs are big enough and smart enough to break into those bait boxes and get access to the poisoned oats inside, and those oats accumulate in their body into large amounts, and that's what's dyeing their fat blue. Now, once it's in the food chain, the damage spreads really quickly. You see, a rodent will eat the bait, and then predators like hawks and owls, bobcats, black bears, and even California's endangered bird species condors will eat those rodents. And the more rodents that have poison in them they eat, the more accumulates in their own bodies, building up over time. The game meat that you bring home, if it has diphenol in it, toxins aren't killed by cooking, and so it can be poisonous to humans as well. Diphenol works by thinning the blood. It causes internal bleeding, and in large amounts it can lead to death. And this wasn't a one-off. Researchers have detected diphenol in mountain lions, in foxes, in geese, and lots of animals across California. It is becoming a huge contamination problem, and it threatens entire food webs. Now, wildlife experts are calling for better alternatives. Better sanitation, so ensuring that the environment isn't conducive to rodents hanging around in the first place. Natural predators, natural barriers, and even fertility control for rodents. All of these are better alternatives to putting poison onto the floor indiscriminately that any animal can get to, or that will eventually pass into the food chain and affect the rest of the food chain. We need tools that control rodent populations without toxic ripple effects through the entire food chain. This is an important warning because it tells us that the poison we put into the food chain doesn't stay where we intend it to. It has a huge ripple effect and can affect lots of different animals, including endangered species, and ultimately humans as well. Unless we change the way that we are controlling rodent populations, we're not just killing rats. We're damaging the whole ecosystem that we all depend on.